What up, Do Work fam? It's your boy Andy Dooley, aka Mr. Do Work. Welcome to Unbox More Than What's Inside. I'm excited to go through this package that I received from TCL. This right here is the NXTpaper 11 Plus. We're going to take a look at all the features in it. We are going to also check out some gaming on it. I'm very curious to see what gaming's like on this tablet. And then I'm going to leave room for you guys to drop questions that you might have about this tablet in the comment section. So without further ado, let's get to it. Right away, when you pull this out, you can tell the finish is different. It's got a matte finish. It's the anti-glare, reflection-free viewing. I love the way it looks. It just looks so smooth, low-key stealth to me. You know what I'm saying? You know how you can see a matte black and it just has a nice little finish to it. Comes with a pencil, and I will show you a little bit more about the pencil. You can just charge it just like so, as you can see here. So you'll receive this in your package as well. And what it is, there is a remover for the tip of this pencil. So it includes one extra one in here just in case. You have your power button and volume up and down, your NXTpaper key. You also have your speakers and charging port. Here on the back is your AI camera. You're not gonna take some crazy photos. However, there's good use with this. It comes with nanomatrix lithography technology, low blue light, TUV certified, flicker free, and DC dimming. I don't know how they did this, but there really is a paper-like tactile feeling. If you want to know about the battery, you're getting 8,000 milliamp hours. Gives you about 8 to 10 hours of mixed usage, and it also can act as a power bank for other devices. So let's get into some of these unique TCL features on a tablet. So it's very clear that they care about eye comfort and protecting our eyes. So this feature is called the Enhanced Eye Comfort. So all I have to do is click here, and now it goes to Smart Eye Comfort mode, Personalized Eye Comfort mode if you want, or Classic Eye Comfort mode. So this will shift in and out to protect your eyes. And then here, if you go here, when this is enabled, the Smart Eye Protection icon will be displayed in the status bar in real time based off of one of these things. I mean, this is a really cool feature. TCL also has its own AI toolbox, which consists of text assist, writing assist, smart voice memo, real-time subtitles, and smart translator, which I'm going to show you later on in the video. Just to get the writing assist, all you have to do is swipe up with 3 fingers, and there, you can start getting help with your writing. Smart voice memo has its own dedicated button. If you go out here, you can see right there, you can go directly to voice memo. If you want to use the real-time subtitles, all you need to do is swipe down, scroll over, real-time subtitles. As you can see here, there's cast. So you can go into PC mode, extend mode, mirror mode. You can even cast to your TVs. This tablet comes with versatile accessories. I mean, for example, the TCL T-Pen stylus. This one feels great. And again, I can't stress how much you have to just try it. It's very hard to explain why this tablet feels so nice. You can also buy a flip case for it, but I also want to go back into some of the versatile accessories that are built in. Check this out. I do want to show you one of my favorite features on this tablet. So on the side here, you see there's a button. This button here, once you click it, you now have options to change your NXTpaper mode. So currently we were just in regular mode. Now let's switch it to NXTpaper mode. So it removes all color and simplifies your viewing experience. So for example, I downloaded Kindle, voila. Look how beautiful that looks. And this looks great outside in the sun. Now, if I wanted to add a little color to it, hit that button again, go to color paper mode. Look at that. But I have to say, the regular mode looks awesome as well. I was thinking about getting a new Kindle. I'm no longer doing that. I don't think I need one with this. Look at that. I do want to share this feature with you from Smart Translate. So I opened up the pamphlet, It's in French right now. So watch how quick the Smart Translate finds a way to translate it in real time. So as I'm hovering over it, you will see once I tap the button, it lets you know it's French and then it translates it just like that. It's awesome. I mean, this is very useful, guys. But I also want to show you guys, see that again? I do want to go into gaming. Let's check out the gaming and let me know your thoughts. I mean, not bad at all. One of the things that stuck out to me is how amazing the speakers are on this tablet. It is crisp, it's loud, and I don't even have it turned up all the way. There you have it, guys. That's your TCL NXTpaper 11 Plus, and let me tell you what, the experience was refreshing. There was a simplicity about the tablet that I really liked. I was thoroughly impressed. You could tell TCL is doing something different, and they're really trying to change the game. I'm looking forward to hear your thoughts. Have you had it in hand? Have you experienced the matte finish? Because once you touch this screen, this tablet, it's just different. You can see the anti-glare on it. While you're outside, you can still see everything crisp, clear. It feels like you're looking at one of the TVs. I have a TV back here behind me, which is actually a TCL. Do you guys know that TCL is the official TV and smartphone partner of the Seattle Seahawks? Let me show you my TV real quick. This is just real quick. Let me show you. I mean, look at that beaut, guys. Gorgeous. Look at that. Even he agrees. I mean, you feel like you're there. I love it. I'm loving what TCL is doing. So what cons do I have? I don't have too many cons, to be honest. I would say one con for me is if you are a big gamer or a gaming enthusiast who love graphics, you want high level graphics, yes, this tablet's not going to give you all that. Can you game on this? Yes, you saw what I did with Call of Duty Mobile on this, and it looked just fine. It felt fine. Not too many glitches or anything like that. So other than that, I'm impressed. I'm looking forward to what TCL is going to put out in the future.